Okay, now everyone, it's time to do page 17, our class book. So if you look on page 17, there's lots of boxes to fill in, right? So it looks kind of scary, but it's not really that hard. You just need to think a little bit. So let's look at the first part. A says, think about how Toe cared for his garden. What have you cared for? Let's share. Well, it gives us an example here. It says what you cared for and what you did for it. So it says this person, whoever they are, said they cared for a fish. And what did they do for it? They helped clean the fish tank and they gave the fish food twice a day. Do you have a pet? Maybe you have a pet that you care for. Maybe you have a plant that you care for. It doesn't always have to be a pet or a plant you have. You can take care of almost anything. Let's think about it. Hmm. Do you take care of your toys? How do you take care of your toys? Do you take care of a friend or a brother or sister? How do you take care of them? Maybe you take care of your mom and dad. That would be really helpful. So you can care for anything as long as you are doing something to help them. You are caring. Let's see. What will I say? Well, if it's hard to think of something to say right away, imagine it in your mind and draw a picture. Let's see, what have I done? Well, let's see. When I was a little boy, Mr. James had lots of toys. And those toys sometimes would get all over the floor. And it would be pretty messy. Was it just my room that was messy though? No, it was the whole house. So I would have to help by cleaning up. But what am I caring for here? I'm caring for my toys. So I can put toys. And what did I do to take care of them? I Did I clean them? Did I wash them? I didn't really wash them. That's not what I want to say. What do I want to say? I want to say that I picked them up and I put them away. That's what it is. So that's what it is. I will say I picked, put, and I know at the end it's CK. Lots of times it's CK. Picked up, 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 up. Picked up what? Toys. But whose toys were they? They were my toys. Toy, toys. There we go. Now, let's look down here at part B. It says, people need plants. Draw 3 things that plants give people. Label them. It says, draw 3 things plants give people and label them. Can you think of 3 things? I want you to think of 3 things and shout them at me. Ready? Go! Ooh, ah. You guys are so loud. Well, I can think of 3 things. I wonder if you thought of the same 3 things I thought of. But it says, don't just draw them, draw. It says, label them. Do you remember what a label is? A label is when we write something at the bottom to help us understand what's going on or what the picture is. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my pencil or my pen, and I'm going to draw a line right along the bottom, just enough space for me to put a word at the bottom. And then I want to write my words. Before I write my words, I want you to write your words down. word here, one word in the middle, and one word at the end. Let's play a game. I will draw a picture, and I want you to guess what my words are. Let's see. The first picture I'm going to draw is, I'm going to draw this. Here's Mr. James. I can't tell you, it's a secret. Sing a song. Wow, I look funny, don't I? And then I'm going to draw this. Oh, my drawing is so messy. Maybe I should use some other colors. Let's see if I have the colors I need. Oh, I do have the other colors I need here. Put that color there. What color is that? That's yellow. Now I need some red. Put here, here, and here, and here, and here. Can you tell what I drew? Does it look like a flower? Well, it is a flower. Do you think my answer is flowers? Not yet. Okay, there's my first picture. Now, my second picture, I'm going to draw this shape. Ooh, it's a little messy. Okay, that's okay. I'm going to color that in. Ooh, it's so messy. I hope you're coloring more. Well, I hope you're coloring better than I am. It's very hard to color on a computer sometimes. Let's see. What does it look like? It just looks like a big red ball, Mr. James. It's not just a big red ball. And then I'll get some. Oh, I don't have the color I need here. Well, this is pretty close. So I'll use this one. Oh, there we go. And I'll color that in. And just to make it a little easier to understand what my picture is, I'll put a little green one like that. Okay. Now, can you tell what it is yet? Ta-da! Okay. And now my last picture. How will I make my last picture? Well, this is really tough. Let's see. I don't really have the colors I need to make the picture I want, do I? There goes this. Let's see. Well, let's just imagine that people are orange where I live. Okay, that's not bad. What shape have I made? Almost like is it perfect? It's not perfect, but pretty close to what I need. And then I'm going to get some. There we go. And there. And there. And now I got to go back to my pen. And I have to get this color again. And I'm going to make this. Can you tell what it is yet? Yay. That's better. There's a smile. And can you tell what it is yet? This is a very messy picture. And draw. I'll draw this. These arrows, and they're blue, and they're pointing to these dots. So you can see these blue arrows pointing to these dots. Well, let's just imagine that this is not just an orange blob, it's Mr. James. There are my eyes. And if that is Mr. James, these two dots below my eyes must be my nose. It's my nostrils. And What are these blue dots? Well, these blue dots are coming from, pretend Mr. James is a giant. Like that. And green, another green one. And then I'm going to get some brown. It's going to be here. What do you imagine that is? Well, I said Mr. James is a giant, so what could these be? Well, we're talking about plants, right? What kind of plants would these be? Here's Mr. James the giant, and then tell you what I will make you right here. Here you are. What are these green things? They're trees. And what are the trees giving me that goes into my nose? Why, it's air. Air. Plants, like trees, give us clean air. Is that the one you guessed? Now, what's this picture? Well, it's pretty messy, but I hope it looks like an apple because that's what I drew. It's an apple. Now, what is an apple? Plants only give us apples? No, they give us all sorts of things to eat. What do we call all these things we eat? We call them food. Food. They give us food. If I had time, I'd draw a picture of myself eating the apple. That would be yummy. And the last one, does it look like a flower? I hope it does. And here's Mr. James. And what's on Mr. James's face? Well, it's a big smile. So what else do plants give us? They give us sweet eyes. They give us smiles. All right. So we're finished page 17 now. In our next video, we're going to do 2 more pages in our class book. And after that, we're going to finish our homework book for this chapter. So